Why haven't I tried this? Somebody asked me why I haven't tried this. Me, I don't know. Simi si wahala. Simi si wahala. Hey.
My sisters, how far? You have made it back to the ultimate flawless meltdown part 2 of She Laid. But don't worry, right now I'm looking a little rough, but we're gonna get right into it. Step 1, comb out all your knots. You wanna make sure that you get all the knots out before you start styling, because then you're gonna have some weird crinkles and curves in it that you don't want. So just get it all out, part by part, get it smooth. Let's lay that girl. Step 2, clean off excess glue with a heavy-duty paper towel. This is very important. Step 3, use your foundation brush to blend the lace and match your skin tone. This is an essential for your ultimate flawless finish, ladies. You want it to look like skin? Get it to look like skin. Step 4, pull out a small amount of baby hair and cut above your eyebrows. You don't want to cut too much, just slightly above your eyebrows so that you can get those natural looking baby hairs. Step 5, make sure your hair is curled and prepared for styling. Step 6, lightly comb through your curls for a blown out look. You can also use your fingers to lightly get those curls separated. Step 7, flip your hair upside down and run your fingers through the roots to get that body yaddy yaddy, because I'm telling you, ladies, this is all the volume you will need. Woo! I almost lost my head there, you see me? Prepare for styling. Tools you will need: your comb, hot comb, and a foam wrap. Step 8, gently use a hot comb to straighten your roots. And please, 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 please remember, be gentle as possible, okay? Let's use our gentle hands and don't burn yourself at all, because this is very dangerous. It can be. Please don't burn yourself. Don't do that. Step 9, use a foam wrap to hold your crown in place. This is going to make sure that your crown is queening the way that it needs to queen and give. You also want to get the hot comb at the top of the hair so that you can get all those flyaways and make sure there's no lumps and bumps going on. We don't do that over here. Step 10, comb your hair back for volume. Are you ready for the 3 easy style tips, ladies? Let's go.
She is cute. She is fab. She is fine. She is bomb.
Style number 1, body wave middle part. This is giving what it's supposed to give. Middle part goddess, middle part beauty. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just love the way that this hair curls and falls in the front. It's Absolutely flawless, ladies. Absolutely flawless. Style number 2, Bombshell Beach Wave Side Part. Now this is actually my favorite style ever. I only do this one for special occasions, maybe dates, you know what I'm saying? But if you would like to use this for your everyday look, go ahead, girls. But I'm telling you, this is the save me for later, okay? Style number 3, finger wave side part. Now, I love this style because it gives me that classic, elegant, I'm a grown woman look with every single outfit, even with the pretty little black dress, okay? So if you are really looking for that, I want to level up, you can start with this one. The other ones are a little bit harder to achieve, take some practice. This finger wave right here already will put you in first place, honey. You in first place.
If you're a little bit upset that I did not record the process of me curling this hair, I will go ahead and get that video up for you guys. It's just that, again, I was in a rush, so I really just wanted to get these curls in and get the look that I've been wanting for a while. I don't know if you guys can see this. Honestly, I don't know if you can see it because my shirt is black. Should I change my shirt? No, I don't want to change my shirt. This whole restroom is hot. Are we getting into this? Because I hope you are. I ain't turned off, so it is making the restroom a little hot. You look good, girl. You look fine. You did that with your hair, okay? You don't even curl your hair, but you look bad, buddy. But you look bad, sis. You look bad. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? I don't know, sweetie. I don't know. Oh my God. Why haven't I tried this? Somebody asked me why I haven't tried this. Me, I don't know. Sibisi wahala, sibisi wahala, hey.
Word of the day, Proverbs 16:9 NIV. In their hearts, humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. Remember, you can plan your course all you want, but the Lord has the final say. Always ask Him if it is your will, Lord. Let it be. Hope y'all have a great week. Love ya.